Saudi Arabia under attack mga kapatid. Pag-usapan natin to, samahan ninyo ako.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Ayon dito sa report mga kapatid mula rito sa WION, no, in-intercept ng Saudi Arabia ang 3 drone. Ito ay nagmula daw mga kapatid sa Iraq. No, sabi rito, Saudi Arabia said it intercepted and destroyed 3 drones that entered its airspace from Iraq. The incident comes amid soaring regional tensions linked to the ongoing Iran-US conflict. So panoorin natin mga kapatid itong balitang to. Sabi rito, Saudi Arabia said on Sunday that it intercepted 3 drones that entered its airspace from direction of Iraq. So ano yun, Iraq ba ang umatake sa kanila kasi galing daw doon ng mga drone na pumasok sa airspace nila. The Saudi Defense Ministry confirmed that the drones were detected and neutralized before they could pose a threat. So naharang naman nila yung 3 drone na yon. So ngayon inaatake ang Saudi Arabia. Authorities stated that the kingdom's armed forces remain on high alert to protect national security and territorial integrity. Alerto ngayon. Riyadh warned that it would take all necessary operational measures against any attempts to violate its sovereignty. So sabi rito ng Riyadh, mga kapatid, nagbabala sila na gagawin nila ang lahat ng necessary operational measures laban, no, sa kahit na anumang pagtatangka na labagin o parang magtangkang sirain yung kanilang soberanya. The incident comes amid lingering regional tensions despite the ceasefire linked to the Iran conflict earlier this year. Security concerns across the Gulf have eased since hostilities were reduced in April, but sporadic drone activity continues to raise alarm. In recent months, several drones have reportedly been launched from Iraqi territory towards Gulf nations, including Saudi Arabia and Kuwait. So galing lahat sa Iraq. Nitong mga nakaraang buwan mga kapatid, no, marami ng report na ilang drones, mga several drones na ang pinapakawalan na nanggagaling mismo sa Iraqi territory. Hindi galing sa Iran ha. Saudi officials did not immediately disclose the origin of intended targets of the intercepted drones. So hindi muna nila sinabi kung ano yung target ng mga naharang nilang drones, kung target ba nito yung mga oil facilities nila, kung anong infrastructure ang tinatarget nitong mga drones na to. Hindi pa nila sinabi. The latest interception highlights the continuing threat posed by unmanned aerial systems in the Middle East. Ito talaga yung ginagamit ngayon mga unmanned drone . Mas mura kasi. Gulf countries have strengthened aerial surveillance and air defense system following repeated cross-border drones incidents. Regional observers say such attacks risk undermining fragile stability efforts across the Gulf region. Lumalawak talaga kaguluhan dito, no? Dati Iran and US Israel lang, ngayon marami nang nai-involve. Saudi Arabia has reiterated its commitment to defending its borders while working with allies to maintain regional security. Ano kayang facilities tong ipinapakita na to? Sa Saudi to . Ito siguro yung pwedeng tinatarget ng mga drone, no? Pwedeng energy facilities to . Ito airport. Yan, ito yung mga oil facilities. Energy facilities, power plant, mga ganun. Ito yung mga delikadong posibleng pinupuntirya ng mga pag-atake na yun . So ngayon nakakaranas itong Saudi Arabia ng mga pag-atake at ito nga ayon sa report mga tol, 3 drone ngayon ang kanilang na-intercept at ito'y galing sa Iraq. No? Hindi natin alam kung ano magiging susunod na hakbang nitong Saudi Arabia pero aantabayanan natin yan mga kapatid at bibigyan ko kayo ng update sa mga susunod nating video. Hanggang sa muli mga tol, hanggang sa muli mga tol, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.